guys, welcome back. If you are new around here, my name is Katie and I am the owner and artist behind Salvaged by Kay Scott. I make my living right here out of my home, painting and restyling found and thrifted furniture and home decor items. Over on my Instagram account, I get asked on an almost daily basis about my furniture photography. And the secret is, it's not that exciting. But I'm just getting ready to stage a set of nightstands that I painted over the weekend, and I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride to show you my process. I do 100% of my furniture photography right here in my kitchen on that wall. Make sure you hang around because after I show you how I stage and photograph these nightstands, I'll give you a little sneak peek of how I edit them in my favorite photo editing app, Snapseed. All right, so first off, I always start by shoving our kitchen table out of the way and taking those two pictures down off the wall. I do also have to sweep every time I stage furniture because I live with two little boys and there is always cereal on the floor. I like to shop around my house for items to use as staging. I've got lots of home decor in every room in the house. There is absolutely no need to go out and buy special props for this. That little black vase and the ceramic egg are actually from my last boho thrifting video. And I also grabbed a picture out of our family room. I like to make sure that I use a little bit of greenery whenever I can in my staging. I think it just makes pictures look a little softer and more organic. Here we go. Cell phone in the camera mode. I always sit on the floor in front of my pieces. It gives the best vantage point. Here is the view from my phone. I like to put it in the square feature since I post most of my pictures on Instagram. It just helps with the perspective a little bit. All right, now that I've got some good straight on shots, get ready to go for a ride. I'm going to take a close-up of the front of my piece. And now I'm going to move around a little bit and take some shots at different angles and make sure I get all of the gorgeous details. Don't worry, I can edit my toes out later. I almost always get asked what the interiors of the drawers look like and how they're constructed, so I make sure that I include detailed drawer shots as well. Back down on the floor for one kind of side angled shot, and then I think we are good to go. All right, I think I have snapshots of everything I need to get these guys listed. Now I'm going to show you how I use an app on my phone called Snapseed to edit my photos. I find Snapseed to be a super easy way to make quick and easy edits to my photos. First off, I'm going to go into the photos that I just took and select the one I want to edit. I'm going to go down into Tools and hit the tuning, I can brighten or darken my photo as much as I want to. You want to be careful here not to distort the color of your painted piece. Now I'm going to go back to Tools and select the crop feature. Again, staying in the square format, but I'm just going to zoom in a little bit on my pieces. I like to make sure that I've got even spacing all the way around. There's also a nice tool in here called Rotate that will automatically adjust your picture if it's a little bit crooked. And another helpful tool that I use often in here is healing. You can just tap on any blemishes that are in the wall behind you that you want to get rid of, and they will disappear. And just like that, it's done. I'm going to go in and save this to my camera roll, and now this photo is ready to share, and I can get my pieces listed on Facebook Marketplace or any other buy and sell apps that I choose. Moving on to the next photo that I'm going to edit, I'll go in and tune the brightness. Now I'm going to crop just a little bit closer. And save. I really hope that this quick little video is helpful to any of you out there who have been struggling with staging and photographing your finished pieces. The time has come for me to get these guys listed and hopefully sold. Thank you so much for hanging out with me again today. But before you go, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, tap that subscribe button, and share it with any friends who you think might like it. I'll catch you guys next time.